Hi everybody, this is Drew. Welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'm going to preview my next model, which is a Tamiya 148 scale Focke Wulf Fw190 F8. And I'm really looking forward to building this. I want to do a World War II plane, and of course it's a Tamiya kit. So if you ever get in a model slump and you want to build something that's going to be a great build and get your mojo back, get you a Tamiya kit. You will not be disappointed, I promise. So let's take a look. This is the Tamiya 148 scale aircraft series number 39. The copyright is 1995. There's a marking here you can build, or a scheme. This is a tropical scheme. Looks pretty good. This is a Italy, summer of 1944. And then on this side you have spring 1945 in Germany. Okay. All right. Let's take a look and see what we have here. I've already looked at the kit. I bought the kit off a online Facebook auction site, and everything was sealed up, but I went ahead and opened the bags so I can get to them a little bit easier for this video. You get clear parts here, of course. The next bag has 2 sprues and some stencils, and you get another bag with 1 sprue with all the rest of the model kit there. So we'll take a look at those here in a second, but I get some warning information, instructions. There's the decals, and a painting guide. Alright, so let's take a look and see what's inside the bags. Look at the detail. Okay, so on this bag, it looks like I got an elevator that fell off. I'll just leave him there. You get the wings, top of the wings anyway. It's the engine, really good detail there. Landing gear wells. If you can see that, but the seat cushion has some fabric texture to it. Looks really good. There's some exhaust, prop, and woohoo, you get a pilot. I enjoy putting the pilots in my planes, and he looks really good. Wow. But as you can see, you got really nice recessed panel lines, very crisp, no flash. Okay, put that one over here. And this one. You get the bottom half of the wings and your landing gear doors. Fine detail. And this sprue, the fuselage halves, drop tanks, machine guns on the nose. You get a lot of weapons too. You get some, I think these are actually rockets. And these are different bombs. Instrument panel and side console here, really nice raised detail. Landing gear struts, if you can see that. Looks like a beautiful kit. And clear parts. And also get, Tamiya usually gives you some poly caps so the props will spin. So clear parts. You get 2 different kinds. and really clear, no issue there. So let's look at the paperwork. Okay, so typical Tamiya instructions, you get a little bit of history of the aircraft. You're going to start with the cockpit. All the paint callouts are, of course, Tamiya paints. And again, for the RLM colors, they give you all these formulas, which I don't usually mess with. I just, I've been painting a lot with Vallejo model air paints right now, and they seem to be working pretty well for me. So I just get the RLM colors in that brand. And, of course, all that looks, again, it looks really straightforward. You get a front armor ring for the cowling, which is good because a lot of times these are painted in yellow or a different color, so you can paint those separate before you attach it. That's nice. It's the landing gear, the gear doors. They do have decals on those. And here's your drop tanks, different ordnance you can put on. These are 80 millimeter rockets called Panzer Blitz. Interesting. And these are bombs. So these are actually rockets, those are bombs. So put those on. And of course your color scheme. So got a Hungarian marking, German marking. Here's the tropical Italian marking. And here's a winter scheme in Hungary. That looks pretty neat. And here are the camo for the winter scheme. And the decals, I'm very kind of suspicious of these. Decals from the 90s Tamiya kits are not very good. They're very thick. And you can tell, I can run my finger and feel the thickness. It also has some weird staining going on. There's some stains on this. I don't know if it maybe came from this paper or something, but basically it's got some stains, so I can't get it off. So I might actually replace these with some aftermarket. And so I'll look into that and do a different scheme. But there we have it, guys. I am really looking forward to this. I'm really stoked. So consider subscribing to my channel if you want to follow along with the build. And thank you, everybody, and I'll see you on the next update. Take care. Happy modeling. Bye-bye.